Looking to elevate your space with a wall treatment that's both visually stunning and functionally sound? Discover the artisanal beauty of Grey Cube's Cork wall tiles. Each tile is handmade, not machine-produced, carefully assembled by skilled craftsmen to bring out the natural beauty and texture of cork. No two pieces are exactly alike. Crafted from natural cork bark, these tiles feature small 3D square blocks arranged in a stunning cube pattern. The depth and shadow create a captivating effect under natural or ambient lighting. Lightweight, eco-friendly, and easy to install, each tile offers more than just good looks. These wall panels are also powerful acoustic diffusers, reducing echo and improving sound clarity in any room. Whether you're designing a quiet bedroom, a cozy office, or a fitness studio, Grey Cube's panels deliver peace and performance, naturally. And because cork repels mold, mildew, and allergens, it's the healthy choice for your home or workspace. Installation is simple. Just use a water-based contact adhesive. And with each panel covering over 2 square feet, transformation is fast and effective. From its handcrafted texture to its natural acoustic benefits, the Grey Cube's wall panel is more than decor. It's functional art. Bring warmth, texture, and serenity to your space with the handmade touch of Grey Cube's cork wall tiles, only from iCork Floor.